Cool, we have a new opponent. Got rocked by Phoenix game 1. Let's try this game 2, see if we can do better. Okay. Yeah, we have fixed colors. We have 3 hands of interaction. So we'll start with Hive of the Eye Tyrant, get that Thoughtseize going, and against Augustus. Oh, it's the Cauldron deck. That's really cute. Okay, so we're going to get rid of Thoughtseize, yeah. Thoughtseize. So this is the red-black Anvil deck, which is quite good, actually. Get rid of Deadly Dispute, I think. Do I care more about Fail? No, I care about Deadly Dispute. I don't want them drawing cards. Blood Crypt. Blood Crypt. No, they can play a Cauldron Familiar, and I'm gonna move it away, I guess. It doesn't matter. So right now, this game 1 again, I am regretting not having 3 great. Ooh, Blood-Tithe Harvester, that's a good one. We will actually push that, because pushing the cat doesn't make a difference. Whereas pushing the Blood-Tithe Harvester does make a difference. It's a 3-2, and it's a removal on a body. It's actually really strong for what it does. So we're going to play this knowing that they're going to push this, and then we're going to just start going for Gigantha. So nice. What did they sacrifice? Oh, they sacrificed an artifact. They sacrificed a blood token. Completely forgot you could do that with Deadly Dispute. Okay, so pushes off hand. They have Cauldron, Blood Crypt, and Mystery card. So that mystery card's important. It could be a Croxa, but I feel like they would have looted it away already. So let's see. Yeah, we're going to definitely be pitching this. Much better. Okay. Fatal push. Okay, so they're calling Familiar Blood Crypt. We're going to play Seer Step Pathway so we can get some variety. No creatures in yard. Sure, let's grab Gigantha. You have Fail Push. And next turn we will have a Fable the Mirror Breaker, which won't be too bad. Yeah, Mayhem Devil's very good as a card. Yep. Oh no, I have to wait till this flips. Okay. Well, that's fine. It's not great because they can sack both of these and it's butts. So they don't have Oven, so that's good. So we're gonna draw a card, flip. And ooh. Do I play no, I play smart. I do this. Kill that. And if they want to spend their mana killing it, that's their prerogative. Okay. Yep. Yield 2 for 2. So they have a single Cauldron Familiar in hand. They're running kind of empty, and I have a Gigantha and Claim Fame, so I'm not unhappy. Play Takanuma. And I have no creatures in graveyard. That's so weird for my deck. So they have a single Cauldron Familiar and a card in hand. Oh, no, they don't. They need Oven. I can actually just start swinging with Hive of the Eye Tyrant rather than playing it, but I think... I guess it dodges Dreadbore? It depends what they're playing. I mean, okay, that's good. I guess I swing with Hive of the Eye Tyrant to exile their Cauldron Familiar, and that's one less thing I have to worry about later. I guess it depends what I draw. Graveyard Trespasser changes... No, we're just going to animate it. Oh, man. So, if they get an Oven, I'm effed. they... The question is, did they leave a push or did they leave it up to... I think for now we get Juice Moose out, and then we can worry about animating Hive of the Eye Tyrant later. It's gonna get real annoying if there's a cat, an oven coming out, but they are rummaging 2 whole cards. Jesus. Okay. A second Cauldron Familiar. Okay, yeah. So maybe. Oh yeah, that's fine. I don't care. Either one of these are fine to take out. I don't care. It's probably Blood Tithe Harvester. There's a Claim Fame. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Okay, it's Blood Tithe Harvester because it's a body, probably. Yeah, that's a problem. So, yeah, the Bugbear is good. So they probably sacrifice a creature in response to me swinging and targeting it. Ugh, rough. Okay. So I'm assuming they have a Fatal Push for this, which is fine. I mean, we just gotta get out of their hand. So I have the Eye Tyrant needs to attack no matter what. So they block and bring back the... Response, they sack and bring back the cat. Yep. Yep, that's fine. Yep. I probably should have went for it last turn before they had the oven. That way I could get one less cat, but it is what it is. We should probably block though, because that's a lot of damage. Nope. Okay. So maybe they have multiple ovens and multiple cats? Oh, they're gonna make copies of cats. That's sick. That's pretty good. Not unhappy, but not happy. Den of the Bugbear, yep. Oh, do they just kill me? I don't think so. It's probably not wise to attack Bud. Yep. That sucks because I can't not let it through because I need to be able to kill this reflection. Ugh. I hate this. This is the worst. So you're gonna be able to ping once, and then I'm in for 8 and then 9. Oh, actually, do I actually kill here? I think I actually just killed him here, maybe. Because I'm gonna Fame Fatal Push and then swing in. Yeah, I think that's actually correct. Because they're only going to be able to block 1 and then I die. Dang, got me. Yep, got me. Okay, so let's see. Let's bring in Go Blanks, obviously. Those are going to be really good here. Slaughter Games? Is this a Slaughter Games game? Like, it seems unwieldy, but it does exile everything. And then we'll do K commands, because that's going to get us a lot of 2-for-1s, which we'll need with the oven anyway. So we're going to drop Dreadhorde Arcanist, because a lot of these are unwieldy and expensive. Deadly Disputes are fine. We'll get down Village Rights. Keep these. Thoughtseize are fine. Croxa is less good here. Blood Tithe Harvester is less good. Fable can go down a few, and then leave it like that. Yeah, it looks fine. So Slaughter Games is going to be an interesting choice here. We'll see, because this might just be a league where I get rocked every round. It happens. Yeah, bringing back that red-black sack deck. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, Graveyard Trespasser. We got turn 1 play. Yeah, this is fine. So we gotta be careful with Takenuma. This is essentially a spell while this one's out. Unless we really... Oh, god damn it. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. I just punted so fucking... Well, not fucking bad, but just bad enough where I'm, like, not happy about this. Oh, man, I don't have red mana. I was not thinking. I was so excited to see Graveyard Trespasser. I mean, there at least still would have been a debate about whether or not I keep this hand, but I am not happy now. It's fine. I mean, I can't salt out. I mean, this is one of those lessons where I need to not get excited about it. If they Thoughtseize, yeah, they Thoughtseize it, so it doesn't matter. Ugh, my hubris. No, I'm not going to concede. My hubris, because if I still draw a red land, I'm fine, or more black spells, it doesn't matter. But it's just rough times. Okay. Well, I learned nothing, and now I get to sack away one of these Takenumas. Since I don't have a Blood Tithe Harvester either, there's no reason for me to actually care about having extra blood on the field. I guess Deadly Dispute. Gosh, more lands. Jeez. We'll Thoughtseize because it's something to do. I mean, not because it's something to do. They mulligan, so it's not the worst. Okay, let's see how messed up we are. Oni Cult, Anvil, Mayhem Devil. Okay, well, it's either... Oh! We're brothers. The only difference is I didn't get punished for it. So, well, Thoughtseize is probably correct. Oh, I guess the Takenuma. Nice. So I can actually Takenuma next turn for Graveyard Trespasser. Okay, we're actually not doing too bad. We're not doing the worst. Because we have all our colors and they do not. So they will be able to possibly fail. Okay, they are not getting their colors. Sick. So they Thoughtseize now, put this in the yard. Oh no, they don't want to. Sick. So this means that I'm getting back my Graveyard Trespasser no matter what. And I'm gonna get some nice 2-for-1 value. It's pretty sick. So, end of turn is gonna be discard, raise dead. If they get a red source, it's gonna be obviously killing the Mayhem Devil. Oh. Sure. Thoughtseize. So, discard, raise dead, because they can't get rid of Takenuma. Yeah, actually I think that's correct. Actually, no. Because I get to keep the Claim Fame. Yeah, actually I think that's better. I want the Claim Fame in the yard. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but I think actually it's correct to not raise dead now, because they'll Thoughtseize this anyway. Now they have to take this, which isn't doing me any good out here. I can now claim whatever I want, because they have to take this. And I'll be able to attack Takenuma at the end of my turn, which is fantastic. And they're still hurting for red mana. So they'll have that Fatal Push, which is whatever. If I draw a land, I just top high with the Eye Tyrant. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. And I'm just doing this to more or less force them to interact. Because if they don't have Fatal Push... Yeah, he's going to push it, that's fine. I knew that was going to happen. So then I can Takenuma later. Maybe I'll pour over one of my Croxas. Yeah, my one Croxa. So they're still hurting for mana. Ooh, they got their Haunted Ridge. Good for them. They finally got there. Yeah, red mana, you got it, bud. You got your Mayhem Devil now. You have one card in hand, just like me. No idea what it is. Except I got a Giganta boy weighing on me. Then again, they might Thoughtseize it. Okay. Yeah. So we got multiple tricks and stuff that we can do. So we're just gonna let this go. And end of turn we will probably Takenuma. So if they get a land, they can animate Hive of the Eye Tyrant. So they're gonna swing here. And we will... We don't need to Takenuma now. Second main. That's pretty good. No, they might have Thoughtseize. Okay. So they'll get Oni Cult Anvil. That's really good. Ah, damn it. Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's not ideal, but that kind of punt might cost me the game, because I could have gone Graveyard Trespasser, gotten back this, and a whole bunch of ifs and buts, that things that could have happened but didn't. So, let's see. And then at the end of turn, if I want to, I'll decide which is better, Fatal Push, Sokenzen, or Takenuma, and go from there. 2 cards in hand. Blood-Tide Harvester. Yeah, that's fine. No, it's not, because you have Oni Called Anvil. Man, I can't deal with it. Roll one more artifacts you control leaves the battlefield. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna have to push this now, which sucks. I should have probably played Sokenzen because I care obviously more maybe about getting Giganta down. So now they're going to be able to get their constructs, which is butts. Butts for me. That's pretty decent. Okay. Is it a land? Okay. Doesn't happen on your turn. You wasted your blood. Yeah, fine. You wasted your blood token, bud. It's not my fault, yours. So next turn, we're going to get Graveyard Trespasser and start trying to swing this game. Yep. That's where we want to be. Get Hive of the Eye Tyrant. So in response to targeting it, we will Takenuma. Yep. Yep. Yep, yep. Oh, Claim Fame. Interesting. Okay, sure. That's interesting. I guess they're worried about it getting haste, so that kind of makes sense. So this is going to hopefully help us stabilize. Graveyard Trespasser is what we want. So now we can play Graveyard Trespasser. We get a land. We can. Yep, that's fine. We get to Graveyard Trespasser, get Jaggy in hand. We're going to eat Mayhem Devil. Just fine, because that's where we want to be. Next turn we'll play Giganta, and we're good to go. We're not doing super hot. A lot of things can kill us here. Obviously not Fatal Push. They can Hive of the Eye Tyrant right now, which is probably correct. Yeah. Hive of the Eye Tyrant to keep getting in chip damage. And since they won't cast anything, I'll be able to flip. Nope. Yep. Yep. So we're going to be able to flip, gain 2 life, put us back up to 4, which means we're dead to a cat. Well, that's cool. And that's actually pretty decent here because that'll give us another blocker. Okay, sure. I'm going to swing, get Graveyard Gluttoned. Oh, I could have killed him. Damn it. Voldaren, Epicure, and then Claim Fame. That's fine. This is the more conservative play. It's fine. I'm not going to die, maybe, entirely. So we'll go Giganta. So I could have killed him. Ugh. That's my bad, because I could have gotten the extra 3 damage with Claim Fame. Whatever. I don't even care anymore, guys. I'm not even upset anymore. I don't care. So, they can kill us with cat, maybe? They're gonna activate to get in the last bit of damage, and then they'd need a cat to kill me. They swing with both. Exile my Claim Fame, that's correct. And we're doing this rather than this because we want to be able to eat this later and eat my Voldaren Epicure to get us back, so then they got land and cat. Nope. Oh, I could have gotten it last game. They beat me. Clever. Oh, man. Well, again, these hard matches, or not hard matches, these matches teach us very hard, painful lessons. Like, going through all your plays.